Beautiful people, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauty. If you've never been here before, thank you for stopping by. If you have, thank you for coming back. I just wanted to give a short intro about today's video. It's a very short compilation of a few of the age-appropriate looks that I have created, and I would like to ask for your assistance in what you see in this video. Now, what I am asking is, if you see something that you like, and especially if it's something that you would like to see recreated on this channel, I would like to ask you if you would just put a comment in the boxes below. Let me know what you think. Tell me what you'd like to see. We'd be more than happy to accommodate. Now, once again, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Even if this is not your kind of a video, I just ask you to go ahead and subscribe anyway. I'm sure I'm bound to put something out that you may like. Okay? So, and if you do that and you also hit that bell each time I do put a video up, you will be the first to know. So, thank you again from my heart to yours. And regardless of the age that you are, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until the next time, peace.